And if you've been out and about this morning, you most likely dodged a few downpours and dealt with flooded streets. CBS 4's Ted Scouten continues our live team coverage in Fort Lauderdale with a look at some of the flooding concerns across our area. Ted, wow.
Hi, Maribel. Well, how many people enjoyed that morning commute this morning? It certainly was a messy one and a soggy one. When you take a look over here, you can see just how deep the water is on the side of the road, but when you get into the middle, it's even deeper. This is a subdivision just south of Broward Boulevard in Fort Lauderdale, Southwest 1st Street and 28th Terrace, where it has been a mess this morning. There are a lot of neighborhoods around South Florida that are looking just like this. From Coral Springs to West Miami-Dade, umbrellas are the ultimate accessory today, and it's certainly been no picnic on the roads. Up to 5 inches of rain have fallen in the past few days, with a lot overnight and more this morning.
Flooding has been bad, especially in this neighborhood over here. I actually had to go back and get my second car because my car actually got stuck in the water.
Drivers like Joe Riggins found streets in his neighborhood flooded.
And this water that's up over my bumper all the way down through here. You know, there are a few cars coming through, mostly trucks like that now coming through, but it's a mess. It's a mess.
James Hatcher is a delivery truck driver. He's already expecting a difficult day.
I might have to cancel. If it keeps going like this, after a couple hours, I will have to cancel.
One group that's not letting the rain get in the way, voters. They're still making it into the polls, umbrellas in hand, ready to cast their ballots. So another live look there. You can see those streets, lots of water on the streets. As we were saying, we're seeing a lot of this in all over South Florida, lots of parts around South Florida. So it's not just here in Fort Lauderdale. And as Lisette said, this rain is expected to continue throughout the day, so make sure you're prepared for this when it comes time for the evening commute. Live in Fort Lauderdale, Ted Scouten, CBS 4 News.
Ted, thank you very much.